What is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Siko, and as you can see right here, we have Luna. Okay, Luna previously had just followed this beautiful prediction of ours and absolutely just continued to move to the upside and how we want it. At the same time, taking out these highs and it just continued down. All right. At the moment where I think that Luna may continue to move at, I'm just gonna leave everything. And like, if you want to be a part of these types of like predictions right here, join the Discord community for absolutely free, or just watch my videos. Like, there's no in between, and like that's about it. So let's just delete all that we have right here. Go. This is the daily time frame. This is the uh, 4 hour time frame. So let me just use the fixed range from here to this top to just see how much volume we have on this. We have we have a lot of volume right here. So what could happen is we could either just come back around this area and continue back up to this, take out this supply, just mitigate that. Because as you see right now, like on this short term, okay, on the in the substructure, we're in this like downtrend, right? We have that lower high. Yeah, we have that lower low. We have that lower high. Have that lower low once again, and we just are moving down at this moment, all right? There's nothing to worry about. Here we had that beautiful mitigation on this side right here. So as you can see on the higher time frame one from the daily time frame, what could happen is we could have that like maybe we could mitigate this like one more time. But this is like below here. I don't think that we're going to be coming below $36 like with Luna at the moment. Okay, either from here to the upside, and we should just keep in mind the higher time frame, or we could just find some demand areas right here to take the prices higher. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to the 4 hour time frame like once again. Use the fixed range right here. Okay, the volume profile fixed range. So take in the perspective this sell out. Okay, this is the last down movement before this up movement that came back around this area. So it all comes around that we have a lot of like volume in this. Okay, at this area right here at $51 at the moment. But I'm just gonna correct this a little bit. All right, I'm taking it through here. So as you see here, we have a lot of volume too. Just below that, if you just include this movement too. Yeah, again, once again, we have a lot of volume right there. And if you just use this, at the same time. Okay, so here we can see that we have a lot of volume, so a lot of shares were taken, a lot of coins were bought right here. That's what like just push the price up. What we could look for is let's just go lower, lower, and lower. Maybe some demand areas around this point. For example, like this one that I see at the moment. This is a super refined one. This is the zoom. Okay, this is the last candle before the up move. That came in right here in that perspective. We also have some liquidity above there too. Let's just go in the 2 hour time frame to trying to find something. Or what could all happen and come down for is just liquidation of these lows. Okay, just liquidity below. And we could just come back around this area right here. Okay. Mitigate this like one more time and take the prices higher. So either this could happen or movement to the upsides from here. So I will be keeping you updated. Have a wonderful day. Of course, we're also going to wait for confirmations. But yeah, peace out. Have a wonderful day and goodbye. Not forget the supply area, okay, right here. And do not forget to join the Discord community because if you want to be the part of these types of like killer like predictions, for example, like we have on Solana, like this prediction right here, just join the community, all right? For absolutely free. Like there's nothing. I'm not charging for nothing, and you're not gonna find a single channel that does this for free or person. All right. So yeah,